Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have fall's seasonal VineOh box. Do you want to see what is inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my VineOh box for fall just arrived. And I was actually supposed to get this on Tuesday, but FedEx was not running due to the storm on Tuesday or Wednesday, so I had to wait until today. Better late than never, but at least now I have it and I can show you guys what is in this seasonal box. If you guys don't know about VineOh, this is my 4th or 5th consecutive box now, and this is a wine / lifestyle beauty box. They always give you 2 bottles of wine, but if you use my code Crafty, you will not only get $10 off your first seasonal box, but you will also get a free bottle of wine. That's right, your first box will be $10 off and 3 bottles of wine. But I have 2 bottles of wine in here, and you can tell them if you want white, red, sweet, a mixture, or whichever. So they do tailor your profile based on the type of wines that you would like. And then there is also a box of little goodies, and they always have like some kind of a treat, and they're so good and yummy. And most of the time there's like a jewelry item and just some really cool little treats for yourself as well. So I really do love my VineOh box. They are $59.99, but again, my code will get your first box for $49.99 with that extra bottle of wine. It's always $120 in value or more, and you always get free shipping. You get to choose again, you get to pick white, reds, or mixed. You can pay quarterly or at a time or annually depending on, and then you can sit back and relax and enjoy your box up to 4 times a year. And you get 5 to 6 full-size products of fun, rejuvenating, and delicious surprises. And that's what's inside the little yummy box. So let's go ahead and get inside. They also, I think on their site, they might even do like a one-time gift box. They have different type of things from time to time that you can check out, but I love their seasonal boxes. They're so much fun, and I love getting wine delivered to me. So let's go ahead and dive on in here and see what this season brings us. Let's see here. So I have my packing slip right on top. And then when you first open it, they do put your box of goodies right on top. And then I'll remove this. I'll show you guys the wine first. And then, then we'll go through this box if I can get it out. Such a tight squeeze. All right, come on. Do I have to actually break the box to get this open? Yeah, that was easier. So this is your box of goodies. And then down inside here is where they store your wine. And I think this time I changed it to white. Last season I changed it to sweets, which they were a little too sweet for me. So this time I just changed it to white wine. And there's the bottom part. So they do package it very well. And when you get your first box, if you use my code and you get that 3rd bottle, your box will be bigger because there's 3 bottles in there instead of 2. So here is my first one. This is a Chardonnay. And most of the time they're like California wines, which I enjoy because if you don't know, I am a California girl living in a Florida world. So anything from California, I absolutely love. And then here is a Western Cape, South Africa. Here's my 2nd bottle of wine. So let's go ahead. So I got my 2 bottles of wine, which I'm so excited to try. Let me set these down here so I don't drop them. And let's go ahead and get into the goodie box. It says, oh, open me. Wait, oh, for me. Sorry, not open me. Oh, for me. And that's what we have inside. And they give you like individual cards, I do believe, of each item that's inside. And oh my gosh, I see a Spongeau. It's French lavender. I'm not a lavender fan, so I'm gonna have to probably pass that down or put that in a gift because Christmas is coming up. So some items I will be saving for gift ideas. So here are the cards and they go over each individual item. So the wines that they put in your box, they're always valued $21 to $26 each. So since I don't know which ones that I got, when I add up the box value, I normally just go to the lower end at the 21, just so we can kind of get an idea of what the entire box is valued at. Oh, actually it says on here, my total box value is $142 plus, because of that different variation on depending on the wines that they put in. So at the lower end, it's $142 plus. So let's go ahead and start with the Spongel because I already saw that and I've already talked about it. And again, this one is the French lavender. Yeah, that smells like lavender. You guys, I'm not a lavender fan. For some reason, it gives me a splitting headache almost pretty much. Ooh, it matches my color though on my shirt. So there is the Spongel, and let's see, is it the heart, like the flower shape? Yep, and it's shaped like the flower. And these are body wash infused. I love these, just not this scent. So again, I will probably save this for a Christmas gift coming up or something like that. And that is valued at, here we go, French Lavender Body Buff. This is valued at $16. You can go to spongel.com and you can use the code VineOh25 for 25% off all products, and that expires 10/31 of 19. So if you guys do love Spongel as much as me, you can save 25% off, and these are amazing Christmas gift ideas. So you can use that code and save money as well. So there's the first item. The next item is right here. And there's the back. Let's see what this is all about. This is probably a jewelry item because again, they normally always put in a jewelry item, and it is. There's that. This is a double circle necklace valued at $49, and it's very dainty. And then there's that part. Let's see if it'll fit me. Okay, so I have mine here, and it's a little awkward with my necklace on there. I never take my necklace off, so normally I don't. But so you have two little whoop-de-woos right there. That is actually really pretty. Very nice, very dainty. I think that's really cute. I actually really like that. So that's valued at $49. So we have that item. Then let's see if it says anything good on it. It says, this is a must-have marigold style necklace. It is delicate, polished coin pendant layered with a streaking medallion and pave set clear stones. It is a perfect necklace to wear daily, either on its own or layered with any other favorites, making it a must for all open necklace line. Ooh la la. Rose, 18 karat rose gold plating, 18-inch chain. So if you want to visit their website, it's SOLEDUSOLEIL.com, and you can use promo code VineOh50 for 50% off all items. Expires 12/31 of 19. Okay, so the next item in here says collagen socks, intense collagen treatment, toe tip removable. What? You could remove the toes? Yes, you can. Look at the back. You can actually have your toes covered, or you can remove them if like you wanted them painted while you were collaging on them. I'm not quite sure, but it's a treatment for your footsies, and it says, give your tootsies some love with these collagen socks that holds extreme soothing properties, instant plumping action, and hydration benefits. These are great for softening calluses and are the perfect regimen for tired, sore feet. Package contains 1 pair of socks. And this one here says special offer. Visit beautybrands.com and use promo code EC16475 for 10% off nail care items. Expires 12/31 of 19. And again, this is valued at $5. Next, we have, here's our treat, salted rosemary shortbread. Ooh, lightly dusted with sea salt. This item is $3, and you'll be surprised and delighted with this aromatic goodness and rich buttery crispiness of Lark's salted rosemary shortbread cookies. We hope you enjoy this wholesome yet indulgent treat as much as we do. Oh, yum. 2 cookies per serving. Special offer, you can visit larkfinefoods.com and use promo code VineOh20 for 20% off your purchases. Expires 12/31 of 19. So there are 2 cookies in there. Let me give one a little taste for you guys. Most of the stuff in here is so good. Ooh, it smells amazing. That is really good. That is really good. That is a really good shortbread cookie. You do get the little tints of rosemary, and you do get that lightly salted taste too, which it's like a little sweet and savory in my mouth going on. That was really good. And again, that was $3. Okay, moving right along, we have things to do before wine o'clock. So we have a notepad. This notepad is valued at $15. $15 for a notepad? Does it come with a corkscrew or a pin or something? Normally notepads are like $3 to $5 generally, maybe 8 to 10 at the very most, but this one is valued at $15. And it's really cute though, because it is wine themed for the box, which I do appreciate, but I think that's a little overpriced for a notepad if you ask me my honest opinion. Need a little organization in your life? Us too. Stay on top of daily tasks with this fun, custom, curated notepad designed just for you. It will keep you up to date with all of the things you need to do before wine o'clock. Yes, please. Like this item, want to see more? Visit goodmorningandgoodnight.us to see and order your custom creations. So maybe that's why it's so much, because it's actually a custom creation that they probably did just for this box, but maybe that's why it's $15. I don't know, but that is really cute. And I like the fact that there's a wine themed on it. Okay, so the last item in here is, oh, it's a little heavier than I expected. Sebastian Dark Oil Scented Candle. Ooh, you guys know I love candles. Love the scent. Try Dark Oil Hair Oil. Smooths up to 48 hours, adds body, then disappears into your hair. So I guess this person has hair products as well. So this says, we love the fragrance of Sebastian's Professional Dark Hair Oil Care. So it probably smells like this. So much that we wanted to share the scent with you. This candle was designed with sandalwood and cedarwood and was developed from the brand's iconic line of professional dark oil hair products. Oh, wow. Special offer, like this and want to see more? Visit beautybrands.com and use promo code EC16417 for 25% off one Sebastian Professional Dark Hair Oil Treatment item. Valid until 12/31 of 19. So you can use that code for one product. So there's the actual product right there. And it does smell good. It does have, I can get that musky sandalwood, like essential oil, like, you know, like the oil that people put in their hair to like smooth it down. Like that has like little notes in there too. So apparently if you get the hair oil treatment, this is what it's gonna smell like. That does smell really good though. And that's perfect for this time of year because it has more of the muskier tones instead of like fruity, florally tones. So it does go with the fall theme perfectly. And that does smell really good. So in this box, you guys, we got this candle, we got this necklace, we got the cookies that I was chewing on. We have the foot collagen thing, and we have the notepad, and then we have the Spongel with the 2 bottles of wine. So what did you guys think of this month's box? this is the fall seasonal box. Again, this one is seasonal, so it only comes 4 times a year. And I can't wait for the Christmas one. One of mine had some really good sea salted like caramel chocolates inside, and it was so good. They were really, really good. And then they've had like the hemp lotion, which that's my favorite lotion. This box has brought some really cool products in the little goodie box, and I really like to see what they bring. Plus I love getting my wine. And again, those are valued at $21 to $26 each. So let's just say $25 for conversational purposes. That's $50 right there just in the bottles of wine. Then you have all these other goodies and free shipping. So, I mean, I always see the value is there. Plus, I really love my wine, so I'm never gonna complain. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this box? Do you want me to do another winter box? Because I liked last winter, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do another winter box because I'm not ready to stop my VineOh. Again, this is my 4th or 5th consecutive box, and I'm really liking it. Plus, I am a little VineOh. So comment down below, you guys. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.